Welcome to Star Technology 5G. In today's video, I will show you how you can draw a schematic circuit diagram using Eagle. Let's start the video. Please subscribe to Star Technology 5G. I have installed Eagle Pro for PCB designing software. Just double click on it. You can see a window is open. Click on File, New. A list is open. Here is project, schematics, board, library, and so on. We are going to design a schematic diagram, so we select the schematic. A new window is opened. Here we design a circuit diagram. Here is the toolbar. From this button, we can add components. Click on it. A window is opened. These all components we can use in our project. Just search microchips. Here is microchip PIC16F877. Drop down list. Select PIC16F877 and again drop down list and select PIC16F877P. I am using DIP 40 pins. OK. And click on the window. Again click on Add button. And search Crystal. Select Crystal and click on the main window. Again click on Add button. And search Capacitor. Here is the capacitor dimension. Select Capacitor. OK and click on the main window. Again click on Add button. And search Resistor. Select Resistor. OK and click on the main window. Again click on Add button. And search Trimmer Resistor. Select Trimmer Resistor. OK and click on the main window. I need 2 trimmer resistors, so I click twice. Again click on Add button. And search LCD. Select LCD module 2x16 characters. OK and click on the main window. Again click on Add button. And search linear. Select ADC0801 analog to digital converter. OK and click on the main window. Again click on Add button. And search LM35. Drop down list and select LM35. I want to use TO92 type. OK and click on the main window. Again click on Add button. And search switch. Select resistor. OK and click on the main window. From this button, you can select the wire, and from here you can change its setting. Right-click on LCD and click on Mirror. It will change the direction of LCD. circuit is ready. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Star Technology 5G. Please like and share the video.